we have a clear sky, clear range on pad I-2. We are flying in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch. Nice boost on that. I like the sound on that turbo. It's pretty cool.
And you didn't have camera on, so it doesn't matter.
Yeah, I know she's spoken for, but if she's got a sister, I want to hear.
It has touched down. It landed at 15 feet per second.
You're on the ground, not the water.
Distance 5, 6.
RocketsMagazine.com.